crypto is a big deal. One of the best ways to keep your funds safe is with a multisig wallet, which means multiple people or multiple keys have to approve transactions before they happen. But not all blockchains make it easy. Let's compare how XPR Network, Ripple, and Ethereum handle multisig wallets. First up,
First, before we get into this, welcome on into another episode of Crypto Dough. Now, on my radar, this one is called XPR, not XRP, because I love XRP. That's one of my largest bags, along with Bitcoin and ADA and Link. I love those technologies, right? But we also have up and coming technologies that we have to pay attention to in this space because a kid could be born today and he may make a code that will crack everything on tomorrow. So always prepare to continue to want and to learn and don't think you know it all because as soon as you do, it's going to be another creation, right? The beautiful thing about life. Now, before I get into this, the only thing I ask you guys to do is subscribe and help me get to 10,000 subs. That's all I ask. Subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, right? Also, if you want to go a bit further, you can also use my referral links. It's going to be in the description, and I'm going to pin it to the top of the chat so you guys can have my Coinbase link, my Uphold link, and my crypto.com link. Now, I understand that I may have foreign people as well, so I'm going to get the Gate.io link and just get some other links that you guys can connect to because this is the worldwide internet. So I want to market myself to all audiences. So on that note, let's dive into XPR. It's called Proton. Now, some people may say I'm a bit nerdy, whatever that means. I say well educated and or anything along that nature, but I like the word proton because you remember in class, put a like or a comment. Y'all remember proton, neutrons, and electrons, right? It always started with protons, neutrons, and then electrons. So the fact that they have this name kind of makes me want to dive in a little bit more, and it's a DeFi, right? DeFi finance, so decentralized finance, so that's even a plus. And they saying they have a couple of features that's better than XRP. Okay, but a lot of things don't beat XRP because they have the banking relationships. But don't count anyone out, right? Right now, I think this is and another thing that I like about this before I get started, because I've been doing my research on this before I got started. Another thing that I like about this that it's made in the USA. So when regulation comes, hopefully it passed regulation. That's all I ask. And it's under a penny. It is under a penny. It's another XCN. It is another XCN. Let's continue.
Ethereum. If you want a multisig wallet, you can't just create one. You need to deploy a custom smart contract using a service like Gnosis Safe. This means you pay gas fees to set it up, you trust a third-party contract to manage your funds, You need extra back-end services for managing transactions. And if you're not a developer, good luck. Multisig on Ethereum is powerful, but it's a lot of extra steps just to keep your funds secure. Ripple XRP does have multisig wallets, and they're built in, but there's a catch. It's extremely confusing for regular users. Centralized validators still control the network. Fewer customization options compared to Ethereum or XPR Network. So, while it's easier than Ethereum, it's not as flexible for real-world use cases. Now, XPR Network does things a little differently. Multisig is built in natively. No additional smart contracts required. You can set up multiple signers directly from the Explorer. It works just like a feature on an operating system, not a complicated extra step. This means any user or business can set up secure transactions instantly without needing developers, gas fees, or third-party services. If you're serious about security, multisig wallets are a must. On Ethereum, it's complicated and expensive. On Ripple, it's basic but limited. On XPR Network, it's native, easy, and designed for real-world use. That's why XPR feels more like a blockchain operating system, not just another crypto network. So, what do you think? Should multisig be standard on all blockchains? Let me know in the comments. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.
Okay, so you guys go follow him, like his channel, and subscribe because this is where I got my sourcing from. So, and this is Twitter. This is Twitter where I got my sources from. We can run through a couple of Twitter feeds to see what's going on, right? XPN, the network. Can you guys see? I like to make sure my audience can see everything I see clearly. Some YouTubers, they don't understand that you got to zoom in sometimes and enlarge your screen and all those fancy, beautiful things. So let's run through it for a second. XRP, they use XRP. I'm going to be saying that a lot. XPR, Proton. Let's just say Proton, because if it's got an X in it, I'm gonna say XRP, XDC, XCN, all the X's. XPay coming next. X, we're on X right now. It seems like everything with an X is booming, right? That's just what I've noticed, man. It's just we on X time right now. So put an X in the chat if you agree. Put an X in the chat if you agree. So they changed their name from XPR to XPR Network, which is good because I noticed that it's a vast network, right? It offers websites for the XPR Network is okay. Okay, any other URL could be impersonator. This is a very unique one. I kind of like it. Look at the graphs the other day, just went up by 300%. That's good. It's still under a penny. That is good. That is good. Let's read. Let's go to his actual site and let's see what's going on. Let's do some further. Let's dive in a little bit more, right? Let's dive in a little bit more. Let's go to their actual website. It's called XPR Network.org. Blockchain for everyone, powerful, compliant. Great service. Hold on for a second, my alarm. Okay. Blockchain for everyone, powerful, compliant. Okay. Let me zoom in so everyone can see. Now, let's go to the bill. Okay, you got GitHub resources, become a validator, developer docs, the WooCommerce plugin, the Web XDK, the Kotlin SDK, the Swift SDK. Okay, integration. Individuals, you can create a wallet, you can verify your identity, which I wonder if they use HBAR for identity verification or they probably use their own coding. Block Explorer, and you can also trade it as well. The community. Roadmap. You got the governance, the Discord, the Telegram, the X.com. DeFi, you can do as an exchange, you can swap, you can do, they have lending protocols, which is good. You have liquidity and you also have trading bots. News and insights. News and insights. Discover the XPR network. Atomic market. You can have NFTs on XPR network for developers. Starting selling NFTs with Atomic Market. NFTs on for developer part 1. They normally do, you can have an XPR network hackathon, which is good. Fork, innovate, and conquer. Developers win up to $1,000. That's good. It seems like they're very involved. They accept cryptocurrency on WordSpread and started using XPR checkout for WooCommerce. XPR Network versus Ethereum. Ethereum, you have some competition. Now, Ethereum has a lot of smart contracts, don't get me wrong, and a lot of things is settled on Ethereum, but I don't think it's as efficient. Just like Solana. It's not like XRP. XRP reigns to be efficient, right? It seems like XPR may be next in line. It may be next in line. Nothing against Solana or anything. But each community have they niche and they have their pros and their cons, right? But coding get better over time. And this company was recently made, so I'm sure that they did their homework, or it seems as if that they did their homework, right? Digital adoption. We're just gonna check them out. Let's check them out. They seem like they have a lot to offer. XPR Network Consortium. Look at this. We may want to see this right here. ISO 2002 compatibility. Seems as if that they're part of the iOS as well. Blockchain bounties, XPI, so okay, metal block. So you can they also have their own wallet. Web auth and metal block. Trading rebates, governance dashboard. What else do you have to offer? I want to see more. It seems to me this project is quite dope. This project is a dope project. This project is a dope project. DeFi. Let's go to the lending protocols. Okay, that's going to, they have 52 cents right now. All deposits. Okay. We're still on this page. Okay, now this is a beautiful technology that's being built as we speak. It's beautiful. Let's check out their roadmap. Let's check out their roadmap. I'm gonna stop sharing one screen so we can go to the next. We're gonna check out their roadmap screen, right? This is their roadmap, XPR Network. Let's check out their roadmap. I have to check out the roadmap and the white paper. So, XPR Network roadmap, core development and community projects, trust account. Okay, they got a minor account. Okay, minor accounts are designed to introduce young users to cryptocurrency in a controlled and secured manner. I like the fact that they have minor accounts managed by guardians through parental control. These accounts will allow minors to learn about cryptocurrency. Let me zoom in on this one, right? It's going to allow minors to learn about cryptocurrency and digital currencies under supervision, promoting financial literacy, from an early age. This feature supports safe and restricted transaction capabilities, ensuring that young users can experience the benefits of digital assets while protecting them from potential risk. XPR invoicing. XPR invoices. Let me know if y'all can see it because I want to make sure that we're reading along together as well. Okay, you can see it nice and clear. XPR Network. Also, click the link down below. I'm going to put it on the screen. Click that link down below right there. It's also in my description as well. To support me on Uphold, click the link down below to open up an account and support me on Uphold. Now let's continue. Quick little advertisement. XPR Network invoicing is an on-chain invoicing solution on XPR. This is the roadmap they were reading on XPR Network that streamlines the invoicing process, automates payments via smart contracts, and increased transparency. It's designed for small businesses and freelancers, reducing the need to intermediaries and expensive accounting software. That's a definite utility case. Biometric key recovery. Biometric key recovery will revolutionize security on the XPR network by allowing users to recover their private keys through a biometric secured multi-signature backup system. This feature enhances users' security by combining biometrics data with advanced cryptographic methods, ensuring that wallets recover is both secure and user-friendly. It addresses common concerns around key management and loss, providing a safe, reliable way for users to regain access to their assets in the event of lost, compromised keys. That's definitely a plus. It seems to me that they have wonderful use cases. Expanded fiat ramps, A-chain upgrade. They got the futures protocol, which is good, tradable. The ISO 222 compliant demo. Let's check them. The ISO 222 compliant demo is an upcoming project demonstrating XPR Network's ability to integrate with traditional finance system and institution using the IS the IS 02220 222 standards. just the ISO standards for financial messaging. This will streamline processes and attract more institutions to the XPR network ecosystem, strengthening its position. Whoa. Ethereum NFT bridge. Port your ERC, right? NFTs directly into the XPR network by using the upcoming Ethereum NFT bridge, allowing you to buy, sell, and receive your NFTs without paying the high gas fees associated with other blockchains. The new home of the XRP network, XPR or Proton network is consolidating its core dApps onto the XPR network.org, providing a unified user interface, which I did like the interface I just used. The hub includes Metal X, Loan Key, KYC, DAO, dashboards, developer docs, and a community forum, simplifying user interactions and raising awareness of the technologies. It's seen Metal X decentralized exchange. The highly anticipated Metal X decentralized exchange DEX brings XPR network further towards a decentralized future than that we're building, allowing XPR network users to trade and swap cryptocurrency directly with each other without the need of centralized third party to facilitate the transactions. This is why I love DeFi and decentralized technologies. If it's decentralized, I'm with it, right? Because P2P is all we need. Peer to peer. We no longer need Malcolm. We no longer need a middleman. Smash that like button if you agree. I like what XPR is talking about. We're doing some homework right now. We're doing some deep diving. Some people don't like to do their homework, and I like to do my homework and turn it in before time. So this is a project that a lot of people don't really know about. I haven't seen YouTubers really talking about this project, right? But surely that they will. Tell them that Crypto Doe informed you about this first. That's all I ask. Give credit when credit's due. Ooh, I like the staking now. I love me a steak, especially when it's staking abilities that make sure that you can buy and order more steaks. Oh yes, I love it. Designed as the next evolution in staking, long staking allows users to lock in their funds to a smart contract, guaranteed to beat the market performance of Bitcoin by 50%. Huh? Hold on. What? Hold on. Let me read this over again because this is called the long stake. This is called the long stake. I wonder what type of stake is it? What type of stake y'all think it is? This one is long. This is the stake that costs about $150 to $200 to $500 to $600 to $1,000 depending on where you at. That's the type of stake that I like. The best part of the cow, please. The best part of not the cow. The best part of the wherever you get the steaks from, that animal. I have a brain fart right now. Wherever you get the steaks from. So, okay, cool. Now, designed as the next evolution in staking, long staking allows users to lock in their funds to a smart contract guaranteed to beat the market performance of Bitcoin by 50%. We envision this as a way to gain exposure to an altcoin XPR while still having the security and the performance of Bitcoin. Whoa. Now, this is a lot that they're putting down on the plate, but you can bring me a plate. Bring me a plate of that long staking. Bring me a plate of that long staking, because if you're telling me you can do Bitcoin numbers, I would like to see. But right now, you're under a penny. So, and you have ultimate use cases. This is not just you're investing in something that totally like a meme coin or something, or Trump coin or anything along that nature. Not saying that trading it isn't profitable, because it's about the profit, right? But actually holding on to something, holding on to a software that makes this space even better, that's what I stand for. That's why I'm taking my time to go over this one. Oh yes, it's a must. ECR 220 wrapping. Okay, let's skip that. And I'm also going to leave these links down below. Matter of fact, let me copy it now and put it in the description. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can understand the sourcing and go check the source. I always give credit when credit's due. Go check the sourcing out as well. And above the sourcing, you're gonna see a couple of my links. Only thing I ask for you to support the channel is hit some of those links. Show love, because I'm surely gonna spread it. So show love, because I'm surely gonna spread it. Crypto dough. So let's go on because I'm liking this one. Open source wallet SDK. Okay. ISO and the Android open source wallet SDKs were released. This is the core tech used in XPR Network reference wallet and was made available for all apps to embed XRP network functionalities. So they're functional. Okay. Okay. I like that. I like that. They have endless utility. Fiat on ramp. I didn't read that one. Access to XPR network and all of its features is now one step away from our new global fiat on ramp. Just wire fiat from any global bank to your XPR network fiat deposit account and receive XUSDC with no gas fee. So you telling me that they have a stable coin as well? Or this is because if they have a stable coin, okay. This one is very fascinating. This right here is definitely, I'm putting a star beside this project. Not financial advice, but I'll be getting me a couple of, let me see, he's probably spent about 5, 10, maybe 10,000 on this one. Because I like the use case. I like the use case. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm reading. I like what's coming in between my ears. See, it don't come out one, it don't come in one ear and come out the other. With me, it come in one ear, it goes through my central processing unit, which is my brain. It's a quantum computer. Oh, it's better than any computer in the world because it's quantum that's happening in here, right? The best computer module ever, right? And you guys should understand you have the best computer module ever that allows you to use different interfaces as far as what we're using in front of you right now for the phone, for the computers, for the software that I love so wonderfully because we just downloading those things, right? And I like what I hear. According to their roadmap, I like it. I must say. See, you know how some people, you have the Bitcoin maxis. Oh, if it's not Bitcoin, then I don't want any part of it. You have some the XRP community. If it's not XRP, I don't want everything else just trash. I don't believe that. Let's not judge. In fact, mark down this year, do not judge, right? Because I noticed that when you don't, you allow things to be what it is, when it is, and how it is. And the answer might be right under your nose. You know, so this project to me may be one of the answers. This project to me may be one of the answers. We're going to check it out. The next slide that I'm going to do, we're going to check it out on Coin Market Cap because people like the numbers. And then what I'm going to start doing on this channel, like I say, help me get to 10,000 subscribers. I'm making a PDF as we speak now. I'll probably sell it for, I was going to sell it for $20, right? But then I thought about it. I was watching Shark Tank the other day and I said, yeah, I can sell it for $20. And some people may say that that's a lot, but I'm not selling it for money. Now, I did put my time in it, don't get me wrong, but I'm selling it for educational purposes. So I say, why not sell it for, instead of $20, why not sell it for $9.99? Why not sell it for $9.99? Everybody else charging $20, $25, $30, depending. You know, me, I'm just starting out, baby. I'm just starting out. And I want more and more people to know about these things. I want the adoption of these things because 2025, we should be at 1 million. Crypto should be trading. A lot of at least a billion people should know about it. I'm targeting that billion people. So $9.99 to 1 billion people, to me, that's cool. Now, 2099 or 2025 or all these little numerical marketing numbers, to me, that's come off as a bit greedy. I don't want to do that on this channel. I do not want to do that on this channel. Right? I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna do $9.99. I'm gonna do $9.99, and that's my final answer. Right? Phantom Beat. I'm happy at what. Let's see what Phantom said. Phantom Beat said, I'm happy at what I'm seeing. Me too, Phantom. I'm not gonna lie to you. And Phantom Beat, do you own the Phantom wallet? Just curious to ask. But I'm happy at what I'm seeing, Phantom. I'm not gonna lie, Phantom. This right here is incredible. It's beautiful. It's alluring. It's mind-boggling. It's very interesting. And I like the fact that it's a network. Because see, when you look at the word network, you know that it's more than one moving pieces. So I like the fact that it's a network. Because I know there's more than one moving pieces. It's not just one thing only, right? They have their hands like the octopus and everything, right? And that to me is good. Now let's go over to, and I'm doing this live, so I'm not about to cut and edit and do all this and do all that. If that's the case, I might as well pre-record, correct? I'm not pre-recording. We're going live, baby. So y'all gonna hear the clicks and hear the mistakes and hear the fumble. And I'm a real human being, right? I'm a real human being. I'm not trying to hide a thing at all. You know, I'm trying to learn together and grow together. I want to learn and grow together. I don't know it all. I want to know as much as I could possibly know and even more, and leave room for the things that I don't know. Right? I don't ever want to stop learning. They say the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing, right? The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. And I want to grow forever. Okay, so this right here, we have something called the proton. XPR. I like calling it proton, right? Let me zoom in because I hate when I see other YouTubers. It look like it's digibytes in the background, like nothing is clear, right? So right now it's currently at 0.005. Like I say, it is under a penny. I'm personally not financial advice, but I'm loading up. But another thing I wanted to talk to y'all about, and I'm gonna do this on the next video, how chain link is so important. Because why to me chain link fit all sector. The other day I was looking at the token, and I put it on my page, right? I was looking at the token landscape, and it shows you what token was made in the USA, which one is this, which one is worldly approved. It just give you like 5 different diagrams, right? 5 different circles, and if the circles interlap, then you know that you're in the right you basically in the right space, right? Why did I find out chain link is in all of those regions? I said, so whoever using the chain link, you can't do nothing without a link. I mean, everything is linked. Even XRP use chain link. Even everybody's using chain link because that's how you link to different APIs. So I said, whoa. People looking at Solana as if it's going to be, and I have nothing against Solana, right? It has its utility case, but as far as transaction, when a lot of people on those networks and it's built on Ethereum, it's not designed to really, it's not designed for a mass amount of movement. It is not. It is not. So it's, to me, it's programmed to crash, basically. Nothing against it. But to me, it's programmed not to do as well as Chainlink. So I think, so the top is Bitcoin. You got Ethereum. But who's to say this cycle is going to be the same? It's different. We're pro crypto now. So I'm going with Bitcoin, XRP. I'm going with Bitcoin, Chainlink, and XRP. Because Chainlink just changed my mind about a lot of things. And then number 4, XPR, XCN, Velo. You can't forget about the stronghold, SHX, baby. Once you do your homework on that one, baby, it's giving me chills right now. And it's quite warm around, but it's giving me chills. Can someone pass me a coat? Can someone pass me a coat? Because I'm getting chills off of it. XHX, stronghold. I'm telling y'all, everything with an X in it gonna blow. You got XPay coming out. It's gonna blow. XDC, blowage. XLM, who dropped the bomb on it? Another blow. XPR, blowage. XCN, another blow. Seems to me everything with an X in it is blowing up. Don't forget about H-bar. Don't forget about Algorand. Don't forget about these things. Don't forget about my sweet baby Ada. Cardona. Or Cardona. Don't forget about that sweet baby too. That's my sweet baby Ray right there. Don't forget about that one. Not financial advice. This is just the bags that I hold, the bags that I double down on. I see these new sparkling coins coming up and everything looks so good and they're going all the way up. I'm not chasing a thing. This is my second bull cycle and I've learned from the first one because I made a lot of mistakes. I'm not chasing a thing. I'm using profit. I'm learning about what's new. Don't get me wrong. Allocating funds towards it. Take the profit from that, put it into my old bags. The things that never failed me. And Phantom Wallet, what did you just say? Soul Network goes down at times? Yes, because it was designed to go down at times. It's designed on Ethereum. See, a lot of people don't know that Ethereum was designed on a proof of work. So that's like you having, let's just for example, right? I try to give people this analogy. It really don't matter what you do and what you put on it. The mainframe and the infrastructure, how it's built, right? It's like you having, let's just say you had a car. It's 2025, right? Wherever you at in the world, it's 2025, right? What if you happen to purchase a 1950 car? To me, Ethereum is a 1950 car. Classic. Don't get me wrong. Classic. But you can only fix up the interior. The exterior will always be the same. This is to me why it fails. And I'm not into things like that. Nothing against Soul. I'm not saying it's not going to touch 1,000 and XYZ, but look what happened when Trump built his ecosystem. Trump built his meme coin on Soul, and what happened? People had problems with extracting their funds when it comes time for liquidation. Why is it? Because that is then built on Ethereum. Vitalik knows. I'm sure that he knows. Do they have other protocols like Polygon in order to make these spaces a little better? Yes, they do. But once again, that's the interior. Or we can reverse it and say that's the exterior. But what's in the inside is always in the inside. There's nothing you can do about it. Unless you just scrap the whole program and decide to do something else. Now, if you built it on a proof of stake, now you're something modern. You're a bit modern here. But it was built on a proof of work. Same thing as Bitcoin. Why do you think we got so much with Ethereum? We got so much gas fees. Why do you think with Bitcoin it's gold? Why would I wear all my gold all at once to come outside and look good and look fly and all that? Why? Why would I have my brick bars of gold just tagging along with me? What's the use case of that? That's why they call it storage, right? But what can you really do with storage? Let's store. That's my point. So I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin. Well, I'm saying Bitcoin has its wrongs. But I'm not saying as far as the pricing that it won't skyrocket to millions. We're not going to say that. But it's going to be a store value. The use case, XRP has 10 times more use case. XPR seems to me has 10 times more use case. As far as the daily use. So instead of me wearing that gold watch or that gold watch that no one has or that bust down that nobody have, right? No. I'm gonna do like XP. I'm gonna do like XDC, XPR, and all of these use cases, HBAR, Algorand, and all that, and wear my Apple Watch that does the same thing. That's all I'm saying. I'm trying to give you guys a different analogy. That's the only thing that I'm saying. I want to give you guys a different analogy. That is the only thing I'm saying. I'm giving you guys a different analogy. All right. So we seen what it is, the market cap. The white paper's obviously right there. Ratings, they got a 2.5. Okay. Let's see the sentiment. The sentiment is, oh, they don't have a sentiment yet. Okay. See, it's brand new. It's damn near new. People not used to it. They're not used to it yet. Where can you buy this from, though? You can buy it from BitGet, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate. You can buy it on Uniswap V3. You can buy it on BitTrue. Okay, it's not really on the US. It's not really on the US made it's not on the US made exchanges yet, but that's all good. But that's all I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys what's going on with it, the price point. The price point. Look at what it has went up in the last in the last month. How much has it gone up? In the last month, it went up. Yikes. Do y'all see that? Yikes. In the last month. We're here. We're here right here. In the last month. That's crazy to me. Hold on. In the last month, it went up. Y'all see what's going on? January 24th. It damn near 6x'd. Hold on. Yep. The last month, it went up by 300% in the last month. In the last year, it went up by damn near 600%. We're still at the beginning of this. Well, on that note, all I ask for you guys to do is subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about XPR. It's new on the block. It's the new kid on the block. I like this new kid already. Let me know you guys plan on investing and why. And make sure that if it's not your keys, it's not your wallet. So if it's not so make sure that you put it on a hot wallet or cold wallet so you can own these things. Okay, that's all I ask. On that note, Crypto Dough, prepare for takeoff. Put on your seatbelts. 5, 4, 3, 2,